Hey friends, it's Laura and welcome to my channel. It is the beginning of 2020 and this year I am really challenging myself to work through my crafty stash and get down to a minimal amount of supplies. And I'm doing this by doing a no spend for the first 6 months of the year at least, and then at the 6-month point I'm going to reevaluate and see what my stash is looking like and how I feel and if I want to continue at that point. And I am also going to be doing scrap therapy as my main form of scrapbooking for the year, and I have a few videos explaining what that is. And then I also have several years of past projects like Project Life and memory planning to catch up on. So this year I really want to bust through my crafty stash again, get it down to something more minimal, donate what I'm not going to use, which is something that I already do consistently, and use up all of the beautiful stuff that I have that I've always said that I want to use up. So I wanted to walk you through what my stash looks like at the beginning of this year because I thought it would be really fun to do a comparison before this challenge and then after it at the end of the year to see how much stuff I used up. So today I am going to show you what my sequin stash looks like, and I have a lot of sequins here. I've got multiple containers full of them, and I'm just going to give you a look at everything I have. So the first thing that I have is this little container here, and I don't know if you would call these sequins. They're more like glitters because they don't have a hole in the center of them, but as you can see, they're shiny like sequins and they're big like sequins. So I have a few colors of the larger ones that look like sequins, and then also this little glitter one right there. And then in this container, same situation, we've got some big gold, and then we have some gold glitter, some red glitter, some clear glitter, some orange glitter, and then on the bottom we actually have a sequin shaker mix right there. So tons of sequins in there. These round things are huge. So lots of stuff to use up from my stash. And then I have this small container right here. This is actually a really fun mix. It's got sequins and confetti and pom-poms in it. So I super love that. I've got some sequins in here. These are pink hearts. We've got some glitters, some more sequins. These are some black, white, and gold stars from Felicity Jane. And then we've just got some different glitters in here that I never use. So we've got that. And then this is my main sequin container. My goal is to have every sequiny thing that I own fit into this container happily. And as you can see, that definitely is not what it looks like right now. So I've got these 3 extra containers here all full. And then I also have lots of extras in here sitting on top of all of my sequins. So I've got all these different mixes here that are just sitting on top. A lot of these here are from Spiegel Mom Scraps, and they came in my wild hair kits throughout the last year and a half when I was on their design team. And some shaker mixes I've gotten from Pen Pals, some other ones that I've made and didn't use all of them up. Here's another one sitting on top there. And then this whole thing is just full of sequins, and I have them kind of color coded here. So it starts with like, I think I have one red, and then I've got just tons of pink and some reds and some custom mixes here with different colors in them. I've got some red and some blue and some gold. Oh, here's another custom mix down here. Then we've got all this purple, tons of blue, a whole thing of blue here, and the blue comes into here. And again, there's some custom mixes in there. This one's teal and purple. And these are all different colors. Like these are some large teal ones. This is a mix with also some glitter in it. And then see here, the color variation is just tremendous. These are like icy blue icicles, and they're super, super shiny. They're like little mirrors, and they don't have a hole in the middle of them. And then here are some like muted dark blue ones, and then some bright teal ones. Lots of different colors, as you can see. And then we've got white ones, white snowflakes, iridescent white. We've got more iridescent white, but these ones are smaller. We've got rhinestone looking ones. We've got clear ones. And it just keeps going over here. We've got silver and yellow and tons of gold down here and copper. Oh, we've got some more custom mixes down here. Look at all these. This is a lot of sequins, y'all. And then we've got some green over here. Again, we got some mixes. Oh, this is a mix with also some acrylic pieces in it. We've got some orange, brown, lots of sequins. So I thought, yeah, this would be really fun to show you everything that's in my stash, to show you what I'm working with at the beginning of the year here, so we could go through this amazing project together throughout the year, and you can see all the stuff that I end up using up or getting rid of, and what my stash ends up looking like at the end as I take on this project to have a simplified scrap room. As my time has gotten more precious with grad school, I just need less choices to make and take up less mental and physical space. So that way when I go to get crafting, the decisions are really easy and I have all my supplies right within sight because I don't have so many that they're overflowing into different parts of several rooms. So yeah, I'm really excited for so many reasons to work on this throughout the next year, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing this part of my stash at the beginning of 2020. It is January 2020 and this is what my sequin stash looks like right now. I've got a lot of work to do and I can't wait to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!